Hi everyone. Once we are done with creation of class to create linked list, we are in a position to create our first push method for our linked list. So firstly, push method is used to add new items to the end of a list. So let's visualize this thing in our visual algo. Here, suppose I want to insert some item after tail. So simply I will click on insert and then after tail, here we want to insert 46. Once I will click on go. So first 46 as a node is created. Then, so here we are making our tail dot next as a 46 first. And till now our tail is 56. Once we have made this connection, we will make our newly created node as a tail. And we are done with our push method. If we will write pseudocode for our push method, then it will be something like this. Here, function should accept a value. Then, create a new node using the value passed. And if that is done, we will check if there is no node. Set head and tail to the newly created node. Else, set the next property on the tail to our new node. And set tail property to the list to our newly created node. And once that is done, we will simply increment length by 1. And then we will return a linked list. Let's do all these things in our VS Code. So here, I will simply write push method. And this push method will take parameter. So for me, it will be val. Then, as per our code, create a new node using the value passed. So we will create our new node. New node is equal to new node. We are making use of our node class. So when we are making use of our node class, we need to pass value. So val we will pass. With this, our new node will be created. Then it is saying if there is no node, set head and tail to be newly created node. So we will simply check if this dot length is double triple equal to 0. Okay. So we will do this dot head is equal to new node. And this dot tail also new node. Else, set the next property on the tail to our new node. So we will simply write else and there we will do this dot tail dot next is equal to our new node first. Yes. Then in the B point it is saying set tail property on the list to newly created node. So we will simply do this dot tail is equal to new node. So now our new node has become our tail. Once we are done with this, it is saying increment length by 1 and return a linked list. So outside else we will write this dot length plus plus and then I will simply return this. Once we have written the method, we need to call it. So for that, I will simply create instance of our linked list class. So I will do let my linked list is equal to new linked list. There, now I can make use of the push method. So I will simply write my linked list dot push and there I will pass 1 as a value first. I need to do console.log, otherwise I will not be able to see the result in our console. Now we will move to our console window. Here we are saying head is equal to node tail node length 1 and inside that we have head value 1 next null, tail value 1 next null. Suppose I will insert one more node. So for that I will do my linked list dot push and this time I will insert 5. So 5 is inserted first, then I will again insert some value like 3. So this time the length is 3. First head value is 5. Then next is it is having value 3, and next of that is having value 1. So yes, everything is working fantastically fine as we want. And with this simple code, we have successfully created our push method. And in this way, we will wrap up our push method. And let's meet in our next video tutorial with pop method. Thank you very much for now.